So hello, this is the first video in the data import series where I'm working through the data import problem R notebook. You find the notebook in GitHub in the DSC 101 directory, and the directory is tests, and you can click on it, go to the problems directory up here, and then you can open it in here. So what I've already done is I've opened the directory in Colab. So if you do that in this window, in this tab, the collaboratory notebook will appear. I've already done that. And what you have to do first thing then is to save a copy in Drive. So up here, save a copy in Drive. I already did that. And then you can give this copy, which you now own, your own name. You can put your name in there and call it sample solution or whatever. So the main purpose of this particular practice sheet is to practice what you've learned in the data camp assignment, which is linked here. I've already opened it. These are the videos and exercises from data camp. It takes about 20 minutes to do, and you should definitely work through this before attempting the notebook, to work through the notebook. So if you have not done that, stop the video here, go over to data camp and solve the exercises and then come back. Now, if you have done that, the first task here is to upload the files we'll be working with. And that means upload them from the network from the cloud to your own computer. So in order to do that, you go to this link. I've opened it here, and you find the files hot dogs and swimmingpools.csv in there. Let's go to the notebook. The notebook says open the files as raw files and save them with a right click as .text and .csv files. And we're going to do that. I'm going to open the file. It looks like this. It's just 3 column vectors. And I click on raw. Here's the raw file, just the raw numbers. And I right click and I save it as, in my downloads area, as hotdogs.txt. So the computer already recognizes as a text document, it is important to put .text in here. If it has already tagged it as a text file, it will not double it as .text. But in case it has picked the wrong file type, then this will ensure that you actually save it as a text file. So I'm going to save this, and I'm going to check it, go to downloads, and I see here the hotdogs file, and I see it's a text document. I don't need to open it because I want to download the other file. Go back to data, open swimmingpools.csv. I see this is a nicely formatted with a header row data file. It's not very long. If I click on raw again, I see how small this data set is. And I save it as swimmingpools.csv file. Save that. Take a look again how it looks like, and I don't need to open it. I can see it's a comma separated values CSV file. So this is all I wanted. I can go back to my notebook. And now the next task is enter the command to find out in which R working directory you currently are. And we are operating on different levels here. Just now we were looking at the cloud, the GitHub server where the files were. We downloaded something from the cloud to the computer. And now that's the purpose of uploading. We need to upload it to the R program, the R instance that we're running. And you can see up here, that's the question mark that I'm connected. If you're not connected, it will say connect here. And as soon as you give the proper command and run this cell, the notebook will connect with the R program. So the command is get working directory, get WD. And as you can see, this already completed. As soon as I typed get, I get all the get commands. If I get WD, I get WD. What I should not forget is the function parentheses. And now I can run the cell, and I see I'm in the directory /content. And that's all I wanted to do at this part, in this part of the video.